Want to upgrade your kitchen with gadgets everyone is talking about? These viral Amazon finds make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun, and people can't stop buying them. From smart prep tools to space-saving helpers, they're total game changers. All product links are in the description below. This compact cleaner helps you eat healthier by washing fruits, vegetables, meat, and more with powerful OH ions instead of chemicals. It removes residue while keeping nutrients intact and even helps food stay fresh longer. Just place it in a bowl of water, tap the button, and let it purify everything in minutes. The removable top makes cleaning easy, and it works with tap or filtered water. Here's one clever kitchen helper you didn't know you needed. This oil dispenser comes with a built-in silicone brush, letting you measure, spread, and reuse oil without any mess. Just pinch the dropper to draw up the right amount, brush it on your pan or food, and pour the rest back. No waste at all. It's easy to clean, totally leak-proof, and perfect for cooking, baking, or grilling like a pro. Dinner just got a serious glow-up. This 6-in-1 wonder oven air fries, toasts, roasts, bakes, reheats, and broils, all in one sleek countertop design. Steam infusion locks in moisture, giving you juicy insides and crispy outsides every time. It preheats lightning fast and cooks up to 30% quicker than a regular oven. Compact yet powerful, it's the all-in-one upgrade your kitchen's been waiting for. Reaching for items in those high kitchen cabinets just got effortless. This heavy-duty pull-down shelf glides smoothly towards you, bringing everything within easy reach. Designed to hold plenty of weight, it keeps your essentials neatly organized while maximizing storage space. Its modern, polished look blends perfectly with any kitchen setup, making it both functional and stylish. Morning coffee doesn't need a kitchen anymore. This portable espresso maker brings the cafe right to your hands anywhere you are. It heats up fast and brews your favorite coffee just the way you like it, from rich espresso to smooth lunge. You can use ground coffee or capsules, making it super flexible. And with its powerful built-in battery, you can enjoy up to 5 cups on a single charge. Rain or shine, this portable electric grill lets you enjoy that perfect sear anywhere. It heats up fast, reaching sizzling hot temps without smoke or flare up, just pure grilling power. The stainless steel body resists rust, while the non-stick grate makes cleanup effortless. Plug it in, twist the knob, and you're ready to grill indoors or out. Compact, durable, and seriously satisfying for every cookout craving. Cleaning small messes just got way easier. This mini sponge mop handles wet or dry cleanup anywhere. Your desk, kitchen counter, bathroom tiles, even your car. It's super absorbent and has a squeeze handle that lets you wring out water with one hand. The grooved sponge design grabs dirt fast and leaves surfaces spotless. Lightweight and compact, it's the perfect quick clean tool for every corner of your home. Homemade pasta just became foolproof. This electric pasta maker mixes, kneads, and extrudes fresh noodles with a single touch. Choose from 8 different shapes and watch it turn simple ingredients into restaurant-worthy pasta in minutes. Its smart kneading system mimics hand-rolled dough for that perfect chewy texture. With dishwasher-safe parts and a cleaning brush included, it's all flavor, no fuss, and endless pasta nights ahead. This espresso machine is where racing heritage meets coffee perfection. Designed in the iconic Porsche style, it brings the precision and power of performance engineering right to your kitchen. Every shot is crafted with advanced brewing technology that ensures rich, consistent flavor. Limited to just 911 units, it's a true collector's piece. For those who love coffee as much as they love design, this one's a dream come true. Say goodbye to lumpy mashed potatoes forever. This heavy-duty ricer turns boiled potatoes into fluffy, cloud-like mash with a simple squeeze. Its dual gear system gives you extra power without straining your hands, making pressing effortless. You can use it for veggies too. Think smooth cauliflower, carrots, or even sweet potatoes. And when dinner's done, just pop it in the dishwasher. Easy, fast, and perfectly smooth every time. This smart kitchen scale takes precision to a whole new level. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth, tracking calories, macros, and nutrients in real time from an extensive food database. Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or managing your diet, its ultra-accurate sensors and sleek touchscreen make every gram count. It's compact, easy to clean, and built to help you stay consistent with your cooking and health goals. No sink hookup? No problem. This mini portable dishwasher brings full-size cleaning power anywhere you need it. Just fill the built-in tank, load your dishes, and choose from 6 wash programs, including a fruit rinse and a high-temp hygiene cycle for baby items. Dual 360-degree sprays leave everything spotless, and the air-dry mode keeps dishes fresh. Perfect for apartments, RVs, or small kitchens on the go. Here's how you turn greasy gravy into pure perfection. This clever fat separator lets you pour smooth, lean sauces without a drop of oil sneaking in. Just fill it up, and the built-in strainer catches all the unwanted bits. The smart release spout pours from the bottom, leaving the fat layer behind. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and makes every homemade gravy taste like a chef's secret. Tired of juggling egg cartons every morning? This rolling egg dispenser keeps things neat, simple, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Its gravity-fed design gently rolls each egg forward, so you always grab the next one with ease. The double-track setup maximizes fridge space, while the non-slip base keeps it steady. No assembly, no hassle, just clean, organized convenience every time you open your fridge. Snack bags always going stale too soon? This mini heat sealer has your back. It seals and cuts plastic bags in seconds, locking in freshness and keeping your food crisp for longer. Just clamp, slide, and you've got an airtight seal. No clips or bulky machines needed. It's rechargeable, magnetic, and compact enough to stick on your fridge or toss in your bag. Perfect for chips, snacks, or leftovers on the go. Say goodbye to rummaging through drawers for the right measuring cup. This clever 4-in-1 cube gives you all the measurements you need in one smart design. You can easily adjust it for both wet and dry ingredients, and the scraper-style base makes sure nothing gets wasted. The clear markings keep your portions precise, and it's super easy to clean. Compact, practical, and made for everyday cooking ease. Say goodbye to messy drawers once and for all. This wall-mounted underwear and sock organizer keeps everything neat, visible, and right where you need it. The sliding drawers make it easy to grab what you want without digging around. You can mount it on a wall, closet, or cabinet to save space and declutter instantly. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's a simple upgrade for a tidier daily routine. Imagine tossing your ingredients into a pot, pressing a button, and letting dinner basically cook itself. That's what this automatic cooking machine does. It stirs, heats, and times everything for you. From frying to stewing, it handles it all with precision while you relax or prep the next meal. It's like having your own personal chef quietly working in the background, keeping every dish perfectly cooked. Meet the plant pot that actually cares back. This smart flower pot acts like a digital pet, showing emotions and responding when you interact with it. Equipped with 7 sensors and an AI chip, it monitors water, light, and temperature to keep your plant thriving. The built-in display can even show your favorite photos or animations. It's a mix of tech and personality that turns plant care into pure fun. Here's a genius upgrade for your drink game. This silicone ice mold makes perfectly shaped rings that slide right into your tumbler, keeping your drink cold for hours without watering it down. Just fill, freeze, and twist to release smooth, hollow ice that melts slowly and looks amazing in any cup. It's leak-proof, easy to clean, and stacks neatly in your freezer. Chopping just got way easier. This clever vegetable chopper dices veggies, herbs, and even nuts into perfect little pieces with just a few quick pumps. The sharp stainless steel blade spins as you press, doing the hard work for you. A comfy handle keeps your hand happy, and the built-in cup catches everything neatly. Great for salads, salsas, or stir-fries. Fast prep, zero mess. Movie night just got an upgrade. This glass popcorn popper lets you make fluffy, delicious popcorn right in your microwave. No oil or butter needed. The clever lid measures your kernels and can melt butter on top while they pop. You'll see every kernel burst through the clear, heat-safe glass. When you're done, just toss it in the dishwasher and it's ready for your next snack session. Every step feels like part of a movie scene with these motion-activated stair lights. As you walk up, each step gently lights up in sequence, creating a smooth and elegant glow. You can tweak the brightness, timing, and number of steps to match your style. The LED strip installs easily and cuts to fit perfectly. It's not just lighting, it's a mix of safety, style, and pure wow factor for your home. Ever reached for a hot pan handle and instantly regretted it? These silicone sleeves are made to stop that from ever happening again. They slip right over your frying pan or skillet handle, giving you a firm, heat-resistant grip that won't slip, even when things get steamy. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or simmering, they keep your hands cool and your cooking stress-free. Crack an egg and get ready to laugh. This adorable little chicken separates yolks from whites by vomiting them out. Yes, really. It's made of smooth ceramic, so it's safe, durable, and super easy to clean. Just pour the egg into the top and watch the magic happen. It's both practical and hilarious. A kitchen helper that adds a little humor to your baking routine. Bring the heat to your backyard with this sleek outdoor pizza oven that fires up to an incredible 950 degrees Fahrenheit. It delivers wood-fired flavor using precision flame control for perfectly crisp, bubbling pizzas in just 60 seconds. Compact yet powerful, it's built for pizza nights, sizzling steaks, or roasted veggies. Whether you're a pro or a weekend chef, this oven turns outdoor cooking into an experience. Cracking peanuts by hand? That's old school. This automatic peanut opener takes the mess and effort out of snack time. Just load it up, give it a quick shake, and it separates the shells with surprising ease. Perfect for air-dried or roasted peanuts, it keeps your fingers clean and your snacks ready faster. Simple, fun, and oddly satisfying every single time you use it. Love pickles but hate fishing them out with your fingers? This clever condiment fork makes that mess disappear. It clips right onto the jar, so it's always there when you need it and stays clean when you don't. Just grab a pickle, olive, or pepper without dripping brine everywhere. When you're done, slide it back into its little holder. No mess, no fuss, just pure snack time satisfaction. Say goodbye to soggy lettuce and dripping fruit. This one-touch salad spinner makes washing and drying your greens ridiculously easy. Just give the top a single press, and it spins everything dry in seconds. No shaking, no fuss. The non-slip base keeps it steady while the built-in brake stops the spin instantly. It even doubles as a strainer or serving bowl, and every part's dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Wave your hand and the lid opens, just like magic. This motion sensor trash can keeps things clean without you ever touching it. The smooth stainless steel finish resists fingerprints, so it always looks spotless. It's built to last, with a quiet closing lid and plenty of space for your daily waste. Perfect for kitchens or offices, it turns taking out the trash into something surprisingly satisfying. Turn your kitchen into a mini cafe with this all-in-one milk frother. It whips up silky foam for lattes, cappuccinos, or even cold brews at the touch of a button. The smart heating system keeps milk from burning while creating that smooth, creamy texture every barista dreams of. Works perfectly with dairy or plant-based milk. Easy to clean, quick to use coffee, perfection made simple. Get ready for perfectly grilled hot dogs every single time. This clever roller rack cooks up to 5 sausages evenly, so you never deal with burnt or raw spots again. Just roll it back and forth over your grill and watch them cook to juicy perfection. The long wooden handle keeps your hands safe from the heat, and cleanup is a breeze. Ideal for barbecues, camping trips, or backyard cookouts. Here's a super handy little gadget that takes all the work out of removing corn from the cob. Just twist and push, and the kernels collect neatly inside. No mess, no fuss. The blades are safely hidden inside, making it totally kid-friendly too. It's compact, easy to clean, and perfect for anyone who loves fresh corn, but hates the tedious part of prepping it. Bring restaurant-style flavor right to your kitchen. This handheld smoker lets you infuse meats, cheeses, and even cocktails with rich, smoky notes in seconds. Just load a pinch of wood chips, turn it on, and let the gentle cold smoke do the magic. You can go subtle or bold with 2 flavor settings. It's compact, easy to clean, and makes every dish feel like a gourmet creation. Tight lids don't stand a chance with this clever under-cabinet jar opener. Just hook, twist, and done, no muscle required. It's perfect for seniors, kids, or anyone with weak hands or arthritis. The hidden design keeps your counters clutter-free, and the non-slip grip holds every lid steady. You'll open jars one-handed with 0 effort, making everyday kitchen tasks feel effortless again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.